How to make keto meal prep brunch jars. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 8 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste, 3 tablespoons butter, 1 1/3 cups cremini mushrooms, chopped, 8 slices bacon, chopped, 20 whole cherry tomatoes, 1 1/2 cups cheddar cheese, 2 cups spinach, 2 medium avocado. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a frying pan over medium heat, scramble the eggs, season with salt and pepper, then remove from heat. 3. Toss the cremini mushrooms in butter over medium heat. Let saute for 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Remove the cremini mushrooms from the frying pan, and add the chopped bacon pieces into the frying pan. Cook to your liking of crispiness. 5. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half and slice up the avocado. 6. Layer the jars with spinach, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, and avocado, scrambled eggs, cheddar cheese, and top with bacon. Then serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of keto meal prep brunch jars. Each serving comes out to be 894 calories, 74.6 grams fat, 7.3 grams net carbs, and 43 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Please kindly do like this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.